Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Welcome to the Clover Power Cooking School. My name's Jordan, this is Jaden, and we're both seniors in dietetics here at Iowa State University.
Today we are going to be using Iowa State University's Spend Smart, Eat Smart website to make crunchy apple roll-ups.
This snack is a great option for after school because it provides a lot of great nutrition through fiber, protein, and some healthy fat. Just a quick reminder before you get started to go ahead and wash your hands. We've already washed ours, but take your time to do that now. Be sure to use warm soapy water, get between your fingers and under your fingernails.
All right, now you can gather all the ingredients you'll need. You're going to need half of an apple, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 whole wheat tortilla, and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of crispy rice cereal.
So let's talk about our supplies. You're going to need a cutting board, a chef's knife, a couple of tablespoon measuring spoons, and then also a butter knife to spread your peanut butter.
Okay, make sure your apple is washed and run it under cold water. We have already done so. And then now we're just going to dice up our apple. You can first cut it into slices and then cut it the other way to dice it up.
The apple's a really great source of fiber because it has a lot of fiber in the skin. And then also it's great for keeping your stomach full, and it's a great source for your guts, like food source.
All right, now we're going to spread the peanut butter all over the tortilla. And don't be afraid to get close to the edges because you want to do it evenly.
The peanut butter is a really great source of healthy fat and protein, and those healthy fats help your body absorb essential vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. And then the protein in the peanut butter also helps strengthen your muscles. And then once we have the peanut butter spread out, we're going to evenly spread our apples or sprinkle our apples over the tortilla. And it's okay if you have a little bit of extra, depending on the size of your apple.
Okay, now we're just going to spread the crispy rice cereal all over the top. And then we're going to tightly roll up the tortilla. And now you can cut it in half.
All right. And then once you get it cut in half, you can go ahead and just put it on a plate or in a bowl or whatever is easy for you.
So today for our recipe, we used apples, but what other fruits could you use if you don't have an apple on hand?
I like to use other fruits like bananas, pears, raspberries, or strawberries. Those would be some really good options and give almost kind of like a peanut butter and jelly vibe if you use berries. The fiber in this is a really good option from the whole wheat tortilla. What are some high fiber foods that you guys have had today?
Some good options of high fiber foods include fruits, vegetables, beans, and oatmeal.
We hope you enjoyed making this snack with us and that you'll enjoy tasting it too. Thanks for cooking with us today.
Yum.